the best application back in the day, and it is still today. Pretty much show you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. And here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. At the top, you may see create, where you can pretty much upload or select your photos and edit from there. Over here, you have the AI effects, pretty much templates, which you can use as well. And all you have to do is just stop and try. Most of these, if not all of these, will require coins, and once you first start using the application, you will never get any free coins. So to get coins, you pretty much have to tap on the thing beside the pro icon here. The pro icon here to get coins. So once you tap on the pro icon here, you can see pretty much the prices of the coin. And as you can see here, you have 3,000 coins for $15, and you have 700 coins for $7, sorry. So that's pretty much it for that. There also, you can just pretty much swipe across for what you want. Also, you have AI filters as well, and AI stuff here as well. You can pretty much see how much coins you will need to generate this video. All you have to do is just tap on try, and once you tap on try, it will ask to upload a photo, and that's pretty much it. So here you have the photo generator option. In this section here, pretty much can generate AI photos using their tool. At the top here, you may use Llama Banana, or you can use ChatGPT So all you have to do is enter your prompt, or you can add a photo for your reference and tap on generate, and also you can select your style that you want your photo to be in. As you can see, there are quite a lot of styles that you can choose from here, or you can just upload a text here, as you can see. Or if I tap on this option here, will just give me a prompt for this, and do make sure to upload a photo so you can use as a reference. So how to check your coins? Remember, you're wondering, where can I get the coins? All you have to do is just to go in the settings option here. Once you have signed up and everything, you can go in the me option or the settings option. Once you're in the me option here, you can tap on the icon here that says AI. Once you tap on that, you'll be able to see how much credits or coins you have on the application. So I currently have 0 coins, so I'm going to need coins to pretty much generate AI images or use their AI filters. So that's pretty much it for that. Other features, as you can see, are very, very basic and straightforward. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So down here, you will pretty much see your unfinished edit videos. And if I tap on this here, you can go ahead and edit it as well. A lot of editing features that can be used with this application, similar to CapCut and also the popular KineMaster application there. So here you can also edit the auto caption as well. A lot of features, guys, a lot of features which are used with the popular application as well. So that's pretty much it for that. And once you're finished, all you have to do is just tap on the export option here. Also, if you want to improve the quality or the graphics of the video that you're making, all you have to do is just adjust the quality to high or whatever quality you want to adjust it by tapping on the settings icon beside of the export. So that's pretty much it for that there. So you may encounter ads while navigating through the application. If you want to remove the ads, all you have to do is get your subscription. You can tap on the free trial that you see up there. That is where you pretty much go to get the pro subscription. As you can see here, the prices and everything. So that's pretty much it for that there. And unfinished videos will be shown in the draft section. As I can see here, you can also delete them by tapping on the 3 dots over here, and also rename them and duplicate them if you want. So in the manage section, you can delete multiple videos in this section here as well. You can either select all or you just select the ones that you want to delete. So in the template option here, you can pretty much find all the templates which you want to use. Let's say, for example, this one here.
Transform your photos.
So these templates are free. You can either select the one that you want to use. Some of them you may need subscription, so you keep that in mind and just tap on use. Do keep in mind, it will tell you how much photos or videos you will need to achieve this video. Also, you can tap on the person that have created video. And if you want to pretty much tap on this option here, if you don't like the video, you can report it. But if you do like it, you can tap on the star icon and add it as a favorite. Or let's say you want to follow the person that have created the video, you can start following that person and also find other videos that they have created as well. So not just that, you can also scroll and look for what you want, or you can type for what you want. So it all depends upon you. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. I would love to help you. I'll see you guys in the next one.